Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing something today that I haven't done in a super long time. First of all, it's a beauty video. I haven't done one of these in like maybe almost a year, and it's going to be a get ready with me using all $1 makeup. I'm going to be testing all of these $1 products and doing a full face of $1 beauty products. And I did a couple videos like this in the past where I did all $1 makeup looks, and I also tested $1 lashes. Like I tried on these $1 fake lashes. So I'll link those in the description if you want to check those out. But I love to do these bougie on a budget videos, I guess you can call them, whether it's clothes or makeup. I love to find affordable beauty products just for myself and to share with you guys, because I know we can always value a bang for a buck. And the store I got all of these products from has been a store I've loved for years, since like 2013 or 14, whenever I first discovered it. They have really good quality products, and they have such a good variety of makeup and beauty self-care products that I've just been shopping at them for such a long time. So the shop I'm talking about is Miss A, and some of you have probably heard of it because they are pretty popular. They're basically an online dollar beauty store. Like I said, they have makeup, they have beauty tools, they have self-care stuff like masks, face masks, and bath bombs. So they have a lot of good stuff, and like I said, it's all $1. Sometimes the things aren't all $1, sometimes they're like a little bit more, and that's because a lot of their proceeds and sales that they make, they donate to different charities. One of their charities is called the Papa Charity, and it helps animals that have been abused. So I mean, it helps good causes, and also their makeup is cruelty free and it's approved by the FDA. So yeah, it's a really good website. I'm gonna link all their information below, so you should definitely check them out if you want to get some good quality cheap makeup. So I have a bunch of things here that I bought. I'm gonna show you guys everything I bought, and I'm gonna try them all on. I've never tried any of these things because I just got them in the mail like yesterday. So I have tried their products before from their website. Like I've tried like a blush before, a foundation, concealer, like I've tried everything, but these exact products I have never tried. So this is gonna be like a first impressions and like a get ready with me, and just me doing a full face of $1 makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will get right into it. So stay tuned for my $1 makeup look. So I have prepped and primed my face, so we're gonna get right into the foundation. And the foundation I got is from AOA Studio. This is Miss A's own line of makeup, and AOA is my favorite brand on that website. So this is their Pro Wear foundation, and as you can tell, it is a little bit too light for my skin, and I guess I didn't judge that very well. It's hard to buy foundation online that you've never tried before. So I'm gonna mix it in with a super dark foundation that I own. I feel like it'll just balance the two colors out and give me like a good medium tone. So I'm gonna mix those. Oh wow, that is really good coverage. I used a equal amount of both of the foundations, the dark and the light one. And wow, I love that combination. This is like really good coverage, but it's not too thick. This foundation really reminds me of MAC's foundation. It reminds me of it because it's like really good coverage. It's super full coverage. So if you like that type of coverage, like MAC's foundations, then this is a good one for you. So we're gonna move on to concealer, and I got, again, from AOA Studio, and it's their liquid concealer, and it's in the color Porcelain. I hope this isn't too light, so we'll go ahead and put that on. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. I feel like this is my color. That's my color! This is so similar to the NARS one that I use. Oh my god, that's crazy. Ooh, I am loving this. That is coverage. Wow. Okay, so I really like this coverage of concealer and foundation. So I didn't buy a translucent powder or a pressed powder from them, so I'm going to use my own. And I also got from Miss A this set of brushes. It came in this nice little travel case. It's also from AOA Studio, and it comes with a good amount of brushes. This was only $10, and it comes with like, I think it's 10 brushes, so like $1 each brush. And it comes with these 5 eyeshadow brushes, and then these face ones. I already used this one, that's why it's brown. And yeah, these are some really good quality brushes. The bristles are very soft. This reminds me of Morphe brushes, so soft. So I'm gonna take this brush right here for my pressed powder. This is a nice brush. I like this brush. It's applying the powder pretty well. Gonna get my T-zone. And I'll also give you guys like a like an update maybe in a few hours to show you guys like the longevity of this makeup and like what it looks like after wearing for a few hours. Because with foundations like that, I really want to know like what it'll look like in a couple hours, so I'll definitely do that. Okay, so we got our base on. So I'm gonna move on to some bronzer. I got this Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer from Giove, made in the USA. Super deep if you like a good bronze. And I'm gonna apply it with this brush from the set. I'm gonna just start off with a little bit just to test it. Oh wow. I barely put anything on the brush and it's such good, like it looks like I put a lot. So with this, a little goes a super long way. Wow, that's a perfect color for me too. This is normally the type of color I go for bronzers. A little bit on my temples. I like to shape out my chin a little bit, so I always put a little bit on each side of my chin, and then we're gonna do the jawline. Wow, I'm loving these colors together. This bronzer with this foundation. That's such a good color. Makes my cheekbones pop. Okay, so this is a good one. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I also forgot to pick up blush. Blush and the powder are like the only things I forgot to pick up, so I'm using my own. We're gonna do some highlight, and I got this cream highlighter from AOA Studio. It's a dewy highlighter and it's in the color Silk. It's a rose gold color. Wow, this is so creamy and so soft. There's a swatch of that one. I love how it feels. It's gonna be really easy to apply. You guys see that? Wow, look how pretty that is. So shimmery, and it does give it a dewy look. I'll put a little bit. I like to put highlighter above my brow. Right on my brow bone, and then on my nose. I'm just contouring my nose really quick because that's what I usually do. So I just took a contour stick and I'm just gonna contour that a little bit. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I picked up this Slim Brow eyebrow pencil from AOA Studio also. And I got this in the color Ebony. I think it was their darkest one. I have pretty dark eyebrows, so I try to stick to dark colors. Oh, yep, perfect, perfect color. Oh, and I'll show you guys what the applicator or what the tip looks like so you can get an idea. I can't believe this was only $1 because this stuff is like good. Okay, so there's one brow done. This one is done, and I really like the quality of it. It goes on so smoothly. And this one also is like a little goes a long way. I'm noticing with a lot of these products, you don't need to use that much. So there are the eyebrows, and I really like this pencil, guys. I'm gonna be using this from now on, $1. Next, we're gonna do some eyeshadow. So I got this palette, and I think this was on sale when I picked it up. It's called Date Night, and it comes with some really pretty colors. I love this blue here. And it comes with a lot of like neutral colors, which is like usually what I go for. So I like that. I might try to incorporate this blue one, even though I usually do not wear bright colors like that. So I'll take this brush from the set, and I'm gonna do my crease, and I think I'll do this kind of warm reddish color. It's a nice red, a nice burnt orange, I think I would consider it. From a first impression standpoint, like wow, it's a good color. You don't need a lot. And I know a lot of like cheaper palettes, like you have to like build up the eyeshadow a lot, but with this one you really don't have to. I barely used anything. All right, so I think I'm gonna smoke out the eye. I'm gonna take this like kind of darkish gray, kind of brown color for the outer corners. And I'm gonna just use the same brush. I usually use the same eyeshadow brush for the crease and for the outer corner just because I want it to all like blend together. All right, I'm gonna just define that outer crease a little bit more. I'm using this brush now, it's like the pointed tip, so we're gonna kind of define that a little bit more right inside. I might have to go over with the red again. Okay, now I'm gonna blend more. Ooh, I like that smoky effect. I'm going to do my lid. I'm gonna use this kind of reddish shimmery color. Oh my god, this is such a pretty color, especially for fall. Do you guys see that? Wow! The pigmentation. I'm like blown away by. Okay, I love that. I'm gonna do the crease again with that same matte like orange color just to like kind of define it a little bit more. Honestly, y'all, that's the most I can do. Like I said, I'm not the best at eyeshadow, but I think it looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, the cream highlighter again. I'm gonna put some in my inner tear duct, because I always like to put a highlighter shimmery color in the inner tear duct to make your eyes pop. Oh, that's pretty in the inner tear duct. Lastly, we're going to apply some lipstick, and I got, again, from AOA Studio, I got this lipstick. It's in the color Shore. It's like a really nice neutral kind of nude pinkish color. Yes, that is pretty. That is the shades I like. This is very creamy, very smooth. I feel like I'm gonna need to apply a little bit more than I usually would with other lipstick. I'm gonna put a gloss over that lipstick. See how that looks? Ooh, that's pretty. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I really love it. I'm really impressed with these products. I think they went on really smoothly. The coverage is really great. The quality is really good of these products. So like I mentioned, I'm going to check in maybe in like a few hours, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, to give you guys an update about what my face looks like then and how the makeup held up. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a few hours. Hi guys, it is a few hours later, and I'm sorry if the lighting's bad, but I wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks like after a few hours. So Anto and I actually went out for dinner, so I have been through it all. I went to dinner, I went out, I got dressed in my hair with my full face of makeup, and it has lasted, I think, pretty well. My eyeshadow definitely lasted really good. I feel like the outer corners though, I think kind of went away, but I mean, they're still there. The lipstick lasted. I didn't reapply my lipstick once. Yeah, they really lasted a long time. And the foundation, I think, was good at lasting too. The only thing is that I see a little bit of like greasiness with my face, but that's probably because like I was sweating when I was getting dressed, and I also have like combination skin. But other than that, it just looks so good. So I'm super impressed with all the makeup that I tried, and I really liked that look and all the products that I used. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty get ready with me $1 impressions. I will link everything that I bought in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.